All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and tonight we have a really quick unboxing. This is kind of one of those watches that's always been on my dream list, and I went ahead and got it coming this weekend, and it showed up today, and I'm really super excited. So I always like to share what I'm doing here on the Watch Channel with you guys. So I have not opened this package, and guys, I'll tell you right off, this is probably one of the nicest watches I've ever bought in my life. So I'm going to share this experience of the unboxing with you guys, and then I'll probably eventually do like a full review of what we have here in this box. So let's go ahead and get it open and check this thing out. So it's funny because the first really nice watch I really bought, besides, well, my Seiko that I bought when I was 12 years old, the 7548, was really, and still is, my favorite watch I'll ever own in my life. And you know, but after that, later on in life, I actually picked up in about 1996, late 96 or early 97, right when the Omega Bond, the Seamaster was coming out. I picked one of those up, and it was the nicest watch I'd ever owned in my life. Let me get this all out of here. Bunch of packaging down there in the bottom. But what I did, guys, is being a really new kind of to automatic watches back then and stuff like that, I wore the watch like I would a quartz watch, and I wore it for about 10 years, and I actually wore the watch to a point where it was really not functional anymore, and the amount of money it was going to cost me to fix it was the same amount I'd actually paid for the watch in 1997, and stupidly for me, I sold the watch, I got rid of it, and I've always kind of regretted that. So let me go ahead and get all this packaging off here. Now this is amazingly, sturdy packaging, and if you guys can see, I've got another new watch here on the wrist we've got to get a review of, but let me go ahead and get this open here and see what we have here in the packaging now. Let me get the, oh goodness, guys, I'm sorry about this. I'm not used to having this much packaging on a box, but I think if you guys are familiar, with watch brands and stuff like that, you're going to be kind of familiar with the coloring and stuff like that. And of course, I'm showing the brand right there. So yeah, guys, I went ahead and ordered myself a Breitling, and I'm super, super excited about really doing a full review of this piece when I get in depth into it and stuff like this. But this is just kind of a really quick unboxing video and stuff like that of kind of one of the nicest watches I'll probably ever own, So here we go, guys. So as you guys can see, the packaging and stuff like that, this nice Breitling logo here on the box, very nicely done. Always Breitling is a very aviation branded company. They're backed up by aviation and stuff like that. They have so much sponsorship of aviation themed things and stuff like that. So all right, guys, so here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. So as you guys can see, it comes in this beautiful packaging. What you would expect for a price or a watch in this kind of what you consider low-end to mid-luxury. I'd actually consider this really low-end luxury watch pricing and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off, the sticker off the box for you guys to show you that. And we will go ahead and slide this beautiful lacquered box here out of the package, out of the boxing here, and I'll show you that, guys. Yeah, I'm not too surprised by what you're getting here. This is not just painted on the top. You guys can actually feel it's raised, and you can see that there, on the top of the box as you look at it there. Excuse me for the reflections, but it's just the professional studio that I work in. So all right, guys, super excited about this. This is a watch that actually, before I bought my my Omega, my Seamaster, this was one of the ones that was on the list. And actually, I really kind of wish I'd bought this watch originally. Kind of glad to have it now, but one of my wife's uncles, he was a jeweler all his life, Frank Jr., rest in peace, my friend. He was always a great, great connoisseur of Breitling and thought they did pretty much the best watches on the face of the planet. He really appreciated the time they took. So here we go, guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. And oh, I didn't even know there's a leather box inside the box. So let's go ahead and do this. And inside of here, I've got, this is exquisite, my paperwork and everything there. I'm sure my warranty card. I'll get more into that in the full review of this piece, guys. But I just wanted to get this up in front of the camera and take a quick look at it, see what you guys think. So So you guys can see these come in this beautiful leather case here, Breitling, and here we go. All right, guys, so what we have here is the Breitling Super Ocean II in 42 millimeter. It's just a watch that kind of has really been on my radar recently in the past 6 months or something like that. I've kind of not been able to stop thinking about it. And I recently saw some pricing at a price point that I thought was really fair. And, as I get into the video, I'll talk about where I got this watch and stuff like that. But uh, yeah, it's a Breitling. It is the Super Ocean II. This is the 42 millimeter, so it's a 500 meter water resistant watch. Of course, a officially certified chronometer, and it looks like it has a plastic ring over the bezel here, guys. Excuse me. It's been a while since I purchased a luxury watch. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a peek here. Oh, that's neat. It has the Breitling logo there on this protective bezel piece, which is very nice. Let me get that off of there. And wow, look at that watch, guys. Now, of course, it's not running. Of course, I'm going to give it the shaky, and there it goes. So it's running there. So, guys, we're going to definitely take a full look at this watch, give it a full review. I just wanted to share with you guys my experience of unboxing this watch. And, guys, this is honestly, you guys saw it as I saw it. So I'm going to go ahead and pop off here and really take some time to enjoy what I've done here, guys, and picked up this amazing piece. So, guys, thank you, and look forward to more reviews in the very, very near future. I've got a lot of watches backed up that I need to show here on the channel, but I want to share this with you guys because you're my buddies. So, all right, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, guys, thanks.